County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, south central Walker County in southeastern Texas, north central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles northeast of Anderson to 6 miles west of Montgomery to near Todd Mission to Hockley, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conroe, Tomball, Willers, Pinehurst, The Woodlands, Spring, Oak Ridge North, Panorama Village, Shenandoah, Magnolia, Cut and Shoot, New Waverly, Montgomery, Stagecoach, Woodloke, Todd Mission, The Woodlands Pavilion, Chateau Woods, Lake Conroe Dam and Hooks Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.